Yeah, what's up everybody, yo? As you can see, Hurricane Irene officially just came in. Wind gushing right now. I don't know if you can see like the wind pouring and everything. What you said?
Are you gonna do the shuffle?
I don't know. I'll do it later. I'll do it in the morning for it could be more fantastic. But if you can see my clothes right now, as you can see the tree right now, the heavy winds already hitting. Oh my God, the winds are hitting already.
Do no shuffle.
I ain't doing no shuffle right now. The wind's already hitting. Wind are coming really picking up right now. As you can see the wind. Yeah.
Hey, what's up guys? I just woke up. It's a little over 8 o'clock. It's 8 in the morning. The work was felt in the morning. And this is what's going on right about. This is what it's gonna feel right now. Worse what's already happening. So you can see that. Not really bad, which is the good part. Flooding that much.
I'm gonna do the shuffle right now during Hurricane Irene. Music!
Every day I'm shuffling. Shuffling.
As you can see right now, guys, oh snap, hold up. The river, Passaic River overflowed. We're right now at Passaic, we're in the park, 4th Street Park. And no lie, Hurricane Irene did what I expected to do when I was here. It's completely overflown. We don't know what else. I'm about to go to number 8 school. Well, people want to see what's up. So unfortunately, this is downtown. And as you can see, people over there stuck.
They're coming now, okay?
And it's overflooded. A boat just came. And taking out people, saving people. Here comes the first people getting saved right now. This ain't no joke. It's first people getting saved. Guys, you can see we're on, I think it's 8th Street, I don't know, what by ShopRite. Yeah, let's just say we're completely fudged up. I'm with my friend Stephanie right now, and she, you know, she's all happy and everything. We have a dog right there. Alright guys, yo, we are in, what time we are in?
Wallington.
This is Wallington, my YouTube people.
12:09.
It is 12:09. My secretary saying to me, we're about to get a private jet, and then we're gonna go and leave to Miami, which is probably the most safest place in the United States. It's kicking out. If we can see this right now, is Godzilla popping out in any second. Nah.
As far as it can.
As you can see, guys, the river overflooded. And Godzilla is about to pop out any second. We are next to Burger King, guys. I want to say a shout out to all my people from John Ollie, Al Thompson, and a car is about to come where they're saying hail to the first Joe because we have about big trouble here. Yo guys, this video is about to be done. As you can see, this is the after effects of Hurricane Irene. As you can see this pool, there used to be a little pad right here. There used to be benches, and you can walk in just to see the river. But as you can see, it overflooded, and now we're just waiting for all the water to go back in, which is probably going to take about maybe a week or two. We don't know. Hopefully it doesn't rain, keep going on. And hope you guys who are in the East Coast after this, hopefully you guys are okay.